it's the weekend. We finna see what's going down. We finna hit the range, you know. And how to be at the Takuache 101. So what's the first step that you gotta do, bro?
Rule number 1, Sperry's.
The OG Sperry's cook.
You know, with the traction control mode, you have to get a tune.
You gotta have the monitor
For sure, the one
or the chili bowl. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have either cinch, you know what I'm saying?
stiff.
And then with your starch pants or your Levi's cut. Yeah. Gotta have the belt cut. And then the most important thing, you need to have a troquita. Yeah. If you 6 feet, it don't matter. It don't matter. You just need to have a truck lifted or drop. No stock height. No stock height around here.
Not the ground sniffers.
No spare tires.
Spare coming out. No spares around here.
We don't do spare tires around here. We get rid of the spare tires. So, and another thing, you gotta have the beard. But
like me, I have one little pelito right.
You don't have the beard, you have the mullet.
3:28 a.m.
I raced that single cab last night. To be honest, I didn't know what it was. I thought it was EcoBoost, but it was a Coyote. 10 speed, it wasn't too bad. It was a good run though. They thought he was gonna gap, but now off the line, I had already took it. It was all right. We were like that. First gear, I had him by a fender, and then he fetched. The second, we were door to door. In the third gear, that's usually when I let off. I usually hit 90 to like 110 on third gear, and then that's it. I let off. So when I let off, he kept going, and then he put the hazards, whatever. But that was it of the race. Fortunately, the video that we got was homie over here. You know,
I'm sorry, bro.
Yeah,
I had some
main man.
malfunction.
You wanna explain to the?
Yeah, I'm sitting there recording and I pushed the volume up and it stopped recording.
So we got the launch, and then we lost like a whole gear, and then third gear when I had already let off. But send the truck to the shop already, man. Get the cam. But yeah, we're finna see what's going down. We already. What's up, Wayne? What you doing? What's up, that boy Eli? What we finna do today, bro?
We're gonna go shoot some guns.
TikTok famous right here. What's your TikTok, bro?
Elijah432.
Elijah432. Yeah, bro, we finna get it.
I don't mind.
No, boys.
No, boys. Ow! Scoot your seat up, Wayne.
God damn.
Is that good enough?
Yeah. It's because the door closed right on my knee, Wayne. That shit hurt. Look.
Cut my own hair. Let me know for tutorials. Then he's gonna let me chop up, do the chili bowl on you. Or
Nah, the chili bowl 3000, bro. I'm gonna put a cross right here on the chili bowl. Go.
I win.
It's 1091. 1091.
1091? Hey, did you
Full
order
sin.
your food?
I'm not hungry.
Oh my god, bro. They don't like to accept things, bro. That's bad. If I'm offering it, you gotta take it. Next time I'm not gonna offer it. I'm just gonna. Here, bro.
Wait, no, I'll take it, bro. What's up, bro? This your first time?
Hell yeah, first time at the shooting range.
Need some help? Oh, you pumped it. You already know.
Oh, the shotty.
Oh.
God, look inside my little box right here. We got 200 shots.
200 shots? Hit it. Hold it with your life. It's a bird shot.
The second one's gonna kick. Okay, do it again.
Now there's turkey shots.
Hey, those turkey shots hit, wait.
God damn, boy.
Hey,
He's a badass. You don't need the gloves.
It's gonna hit you, He does that shit all day. Bro. That's the last one. That's the last one.
yo, what we do? Turkey shots.
This the gun man, bro. This guy.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this man right here, he loves coming out here all the time. Is that right, Ed?
Man.
Anything you want to say to the vlog?
Show him what's up, bro.
He's like, watch this.
Damn.
Mr. Badass right there.
How you feel this hoe? I don't like shotguns, bro.
Yeah.
I'm good to shoot.
Hold it. Put your hand in the strap. The knot's gonna fly out your hand. Go. Try it.
Let me try that one.
Here.
Need some help?
Wait.
Oh, you pumped it. You already have.
Wait.
Pumped it out. Like hit.
Hey, leave it.
Yeah.
6.5 hours later.
Hey, wait, you gotta be careful with
I
it.
need the funnel, bro.
Shit. Ooh, she gushing. Hey, you got it this time or what?
Okay,
Hey, there you go.
so don't do what I just did. Get your little funnel. You know what I'm saying? Make sure.
Don't worry, this is first try, wait.
When I went to race at 5.0, they didn't have no damn 85 at the pump, so I literally raced on like less than a quarter.
Fun.
And so then I had to come park it and then go find the 85 somewhere else. So, and then I found some. So. Cause I'm kind of keep it on E, so after the cam install it gets dyno on full E, and then I can get the best results. Cause last time when I got 10, I was mixed.
Is that what you're gonna do while you're waiting? Every last drop. God damn, it's still freaking going out.
Oh, look. So what's hooked into your truck, bro?
Just a 5.3 liter with intake headers and tune. On a 4.6 drop, so nothing crazy. 6 speed.
Alrighty. What are we gonna do today?